Welcome to Brainetainment, where we quench your thirst for knowledge with intriguing insights and fascinating facts. We're here to ignite your curiosity and enlighten your understanding of the world, one topic at a time. Our channel's purpose is to make learning fun, engaging, and accessible to all, while we dive deep into a plethora of subjects. We believe in the power of knowledge and its ability to broaden our horizons. Today, we're embarking on a journey of discovery into the human body, specifically focusing on the male reproductive system. We're going to unravel a topic that's often shrouded in mystery and misconceptions. By shedding light on this topic, we aim to foster a better understanding of our bodies and how they function, from the role of the brain and hormones to the actual process and the factors affecting it. We've got it all covered. In today's fascinating episode, we will be delving into the intricacies of how an erection works. The brain, known as the largest sex organ, plays a pivotal role in the process of erection. Now let's delve a little deeper into this intriguing point. The brain, an intricate network of cells and connections, is much more than just a control center for the body. When it comes to sexual arousal, the brain is the maestro conducting an orchestra of signals and responses. In the symphony of sexual arousal, the brain is the first to play its part. It sets the stage, preparing the body for what's to come. It begins by processing sensory information, such as what we see, hear, smell, and touch. This could be anything from a romantic scenario to an explicit image. Once the brain perceives something sexually stimulating, it sends signals down the spinal cord to the nerves in the body. This triggers the release of nitric oxide in the blood vessels of the penis, causing them to relax and open up. The result? An increase in blood flow to the penis, leading to an erection. But it's not just about physical stimulation. The brain is also responsible for our thoughts and emotions, which play a significant role in sexual arousal. Ever wondered why certain fantasies or memories can trigger arousal? That's the brain at work. It's able to link psychological stimuli with physical responses. Just as the brain can initiate an erection, it can also inhibit one. Stress, anxiety, depression, these are all psychological factors that can interfere with the brain's ability to send the necessary signals for an erection. This clearly illustrates how the brain's role in sexual arousal extends beyond just the physical aspect. In essence, the brain is not merely a bystander in the process of erection. It's the director, the conductor, the choreographer, orchestrating a complex dance of signals and responses that results in an erection. Indeed, the brain's role in an erection might be far more critical than one would initially assume. Now that we understand the brain's role, let's explore the actual process of an erection. The process of an erection is a complex interplay of signals and responses, beginning with a sensation. This sensation may be physical, visual, or even emotional. It's the trigger that sends a signal to the brain, which in turn sends a message down the spinal cord to the nerves in the pelvic region. Here, the body's autonomic nervous system takes over. This is the part of our nervous system that controls involuntary or partly voluntary actions, like our heartbeat or digestion. In this case, it's responsible for relaxing the smooth muscles in the penis. When these muscles relax, the arteries and vessels in the penis can open wider, allowing more blood to flow through them. This increased blood flow fills two sponge-like chambers in the penis, known as the corpora cavernosa. As these chambers fill with blood, the penis becomes rigid, forming an erection. Now, it's important to note that the process doesn't stop there. The body must maintain this increased blood flow to keep the erection. This is achieved by the contraction of other muscles at the base of the penis, which act like a sort of dam, preventing the blood from flowing back out. As long as these conditions are maintained, the erection persists. Once the initial trigger is removed, or the sexual arousal subsides, the brain sends another signal to the body. This time, the signal instructs the muscles in the penis to contract and the blood to flow back out, ending the erection. This process is a delicate balance of signals, responses, and physiological changes, all working in harmony. It's a testament to the intricate design of the human body and its ability to respond to our emotional and physical experiences. As we can see, the process is a complex one, involving numerous physiological changes. Hormones, the body's chemical messengers, also play a crucial role in the process of erection. These tiny molecules, produced by different glands in the body, are responsible for myriad bodily functions, including growth, metabolism, mood, and yes, even sexual function. In the context of an erection, the hormone we're most interested in is testosterone, often referred to as the male sex hormone. This hormone is primarily produced in the testes in men and in smaller amounts in the ovaries in women. Testosterone is essential for sexual arousal. It's responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in males during puberty, including the growth of body hair, the deepening of the voice, and the increase in muscle mass and strength. And it continues to play a crucial role in maintaining sexual health in adulthood. Now, how exactly does testosterone factor into the process of an erection? Well, it's all about sexual desire or libido. Testosterone helps to fuel the libido, which is the driving force behind sexual arousal. When a man is sexually aroused, his brain sends signals to the nerves in the penis, triggering an erection. Without adequate levels of testosterone, a man may find his libido reduced and getting an erection may be more challenging, but testosterone isn't the only hormone at play here. The hormones dopamine and oxytocin are also key players in the erection process. Dopamine, often called the feel-good hormone, is associated with feelings of pleasure and satisfaction, and oxytocin, sometimes referred to as the love hormone, plays a significant role in bonding and creating feelings of intimacy. Both of these hormones can enhance sexual arousal and contribute to the process of achieving an erection. So while the mechanics of an erection may seem straightforward, it's clear that there's a complex interplay of hormones and neurological signals at work. And these hormones do more than just kickstart the physical process of an erection. They also influence our emotions, our desires, our feelings of intimacy, and our overall sexual experience. So the role of hormones in an erection is undeniably significant and beyond just the physical changes. While the process may seem straightforward, several factors can affect a man's ability to achieve and maintain an erection. Diving into the world of human biology, we find that myriad influences can play a role in this process. One of these, quite possibly the most common, is stress. Stress can be a real party pooper, interfering with the brain's ability to send the necessary signals to trigger an erection. Whether it's the stress of a long day at the office, financial worries, or personal relationship issues, the impact on sexual health can be significant. Taking a step further, we find another common factor: alcohol. Now, don't get me wrong, a glass of wine or a pint of beer might help to set the mood, but overindulgence can be a real dampener. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to temporary or even long-term erectile dysfunction. So remember, moderation is key. Let's not forget about the role of physical health conditions. Issues like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity can all have a profound impact on a man's ability to achieve and maintain an erection. These conditions can affect blood flow, hormone levels, and nerve function, all of which are crucial to the process of erection. Equally important are mental health conditions. Depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders can also interfere with the erection process. It's a well-known fact that the mind and the body are interconnected, and when one suffers, it can often impact the other. Medications can also play a role. Certain medicines like antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and others can have side effects that can affect sexual function. Lastly, lifestyle choices are also a key player. Smoking, lack of physical activity, and poor diet can all contribute to problems with achieving an erection. Understanding these factors is essential for maintaining sexual health and addressing any potential issues. It's crucial to remember that if you're experiencing any difficulties, it's always best to seek advice from a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying causes and provide the necessary treatment or guidance. As we conclude our exploration of how an erection works, we've journeyed through the intricate processes our bodies undergo unbeknownst to us. From the brain's critical role in sparking the initial stimulation to the complex choreography of blood vessels during the erection process, it's truly a testament to the marvels of biology. We've also delved into the potent influence of hormones and how they orchestrate this symphony of physiological reactions. Furthermore, we've touched on the various factors that can affect these mechanisms, from physical to psychological, painting a fuller picture of this natural phenomenon. Through understanding these processes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of our bodies and the delicate balance that maintains our health. Knowledge about these matters is not just intriguing, but also essential to our well-being, and there you have it. A fascinating exploration of how an erection works. Remember to subscribe to Brainetainment for more intriguing insights and fascinating facts. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive.